The Aztec couple controversy. The greatest black civilization in Mexico was the Aztec nation. The Aztecs had a wonderful civilization in Mexico before Mongoloid Native Americans and the Spanish destroyed their nation. In my book, African Empires in Ancient America, I discuss the various African black nations in ancient America. The Aztecs were ruthless rulers of Mexico. They did whatever it took to control their subject people. These two were descendants of the Aztecs. They looked just like the original settlers of Mexico. Here we see the Aztec couple and a statue of the Aztec people. The Aztec people were the original Mayan people, according to archaeologists. Many people claim that these couple were not Aztecs. They claim that in no way this couple could be Mesoamerican or native to Mesoamerica. They imply that they were slaves. But it would appear to me that this couple is, in fact, one of the ancestors of the Aztec people. They were, in a sense, an ancient couple of Aztec origin. Here we see a comparison of the Ocos and Aztec, illustrating the Aztec codices. As you can see, these people had wide noses. They had very African or Negro features. Look at the nose and hair of the Aztec couple, and compared to the Aztecs, you can clearly see the common ancestry of these people. The Aztec couple were Aztecs. History is never neutral. As a result, it is the highest point of propaganda. We have been lied to by the Academy. In school, you learned that the Native Americans were all Mongoloid people, but this is false. There were many black Native Americans. This was especially true of the Aztecs. Archaeological evidence, Mayan and Spanish descriptions of the Aztecs, and pictorial evidence from the codices indicate they were black. The Spanish describe the Aztecs as follows. The people of this land are well made, rather tall than short. They are swarthy as leopards, of good manners and gestures, for the greater part very skillful, robust, and tireless, and at the same time the most moderate men known. They are very warlike and face death with the greatest resolution. As you can see, it was the Spanish who described the Aztecs as swarthy, or black like leopards and jaguars. As a result, when we look at this Aztec couple, what do we see? We see that they're dark. We see that they have the same features, the same noses, eyes, as the Aztec people. The African or Negro character of the Aztecs is supported by the Mexican statements about the Aztecs and the codices. The Maya called the Aztecs Chilean, curly or frizzy hair, which is characteristic of sub-Saharan Africans and also the Aztec couple. The archaeological, textual, and linguistic evidence make it clear the Aztecs were probably black. The description of the Aztecs by the Spanish and Maya as black and frizzy hair match the pictures of the Aztec couple. Yes, this Aztec couple, although they are said to have come from Salvador, probably in a sense were descendants of the Aztecs, because after the Aztecs were defeated by the Spanish and Mongoloid Native Americans, they spread throughout Mesoamerica.